Hey, you Captain. Why are you so salty?
Me lost me bird. Scallywag. He flew away. Me be putting up lost posters. Hopefully he comes back.
Well, first, you can't do that.
Yar, you mean yar?
No, you can't leave a knife there. I mean, we got children and it's all covered in blood.
Yar, all me knives are covered in blood. Yar. Now your mother's an octopus! Avast! If ye be pondering what I using to shoot the green menace to the sky, it be me Taipan veteran with a Donny fat boy, and me looking glass be a crimson trace. Yarr! Who be stealing me bullets? Arr, load the cannons.
Well, that's not a safe shot. They're up under a solar panel. Hopefully he'll nudge that one and knock it down. He is shaking the twigs. Hopefully he'll shake the one that's blocking them up. I think he's trying to clear the nest right now, or clear the opening. Come on, buddy. Shake that twig. Shake that one right there. No, shake that one. Come on. No, go back. Yeah, yeah. Other way. Shake those twigs. Come on. Shake that twig. Yeah, go. Yes. Come on. You can do it. Come on, your buddy can do it then too. He's trying to get him out. Yes, pull that stick. You moved him. Yes. Yes. Come on. Come on. Keep going.
That is one of the parrots that I shot and it landed in the road. It's a bit flat. Yeah, that's why. Road bird.
Empty. Yes.
Arrgh! If ye be wanting to leave a comment, be leaving it like a pirate, or me makes ye walk the plank. Arrgh! Story time. Embarrassing story time.
My upstairs neighbors are two very beautiful girls in their early 20s. As I was finishing up the scene where I'm stabbing the lost parrot poster into the telephone pole, I turn around, I see two girls walking on the opposite side of the street. I don't have my glasses on, so I can't see who they are. Oh my God, I look like one of these crazy influencers in the wild doing just cringy stuff for TikTok views. I go, I'm so sorry you had to witness that. I heard back, that's all right, Steve, it's okay. And I'm like, argh, it's my neighbors. And then I'm thinking to myself, you were just growling at a telephone pole holding a giant bloody knife. I got it. This was for my YouTube channel. I think it went okay. I think it went okay. They're really cool girls. I think it went okay. She did say, she was like, oh yeah, just let me see the video when it's done. Arrgh! Yeah.
Hey, you captain.
Yeah, damn it.